Performance testing ensures that a system meets speed, scalability, and reliability expectations. It's about identifying bottlenecks that slow down or destabilize the system. Load testing is a type of performance testing that simulates real-world usage by applying expected levels of user traffic to measure response time and behavior. Stress testing goes a step further by pushing the system beyond its capacity limits to find its breaking points. These tests are critical to ensure a system can handle the load without crashes, slowdowns, or degraded service. Why is performance testing important? Consider the scenario. You are using an e-commerce site. Everything worked perfectly with 10 users. But during a major sale, traffic spikes to 1,000 users and the site crashes. If performance testing had been done, you would have identified and fixed the system's weak points before going live. Performance testing helps prevent downtime. No one wants their system to crash during the usages. Slow response times. Users expect fast services. A delay of even a few seconds can push the users to abandon your app. Reputation damage. If your application performs poorly, user will lose trust, which can hurt your business. We track key metrics like response time, how long it takes to receive a response after sending a request, the number of requests processed per second, error rate, the percentage of failed requests, memory usage, how efficiently system resources are used. These metrics provide insight into how well your application performs under different conditions. Tools for load and performance testing. There are several tools available to help with performance testing, including JMeter, a popular open source tool for simulating loads and analyzing performance. Gatling, a tool designed for scalability testing with high loads. Locust, a Python-based load testing tool. Apache Bench, used for quick tests on APIs. Choosing the right tool depends on your application type, testing requirements, and familiarity with the tool. How to plan a load test? A good load test doesn't start with randomly sending requests. It requires a structured approach. The first one is to set objectives. Define what you want to achieve. Are you testing for a high traffic or to find bottlenecks? Define scenarios. Identify critical user flows, such as logging in, searching, or placing an order. Estimate load. Simulate the number of concurrent users based on real-world data. Run the test. Execute the load test and monitor the system and analyze results. Review performance testing to find and address issues, common challenges, and how to overcome them. Performance testing is not without challenges. You may encounter unrealistic test scenarios. Make sure the tests reflect real usage patterns. Resource limitations. Testing large loads requires powerful infrastructure. Intermittent issues. Performance issues may only occur under certain conditions. To catch this, run tests multiple times. To overcome these challenges, collaborate with developers. Use real-world data for simulations and automate tests where it's possible. Best practices in performance testing. Start early. Don't wait until the last minute. Performance testing should be part of your regular testing cycle. Test incrementally. Begin with smaller loads and gradually increase. Automate testing. Use automation to repeat tests regularly and catch regression early. Monitor in production. Real data traffic can reveal new issues. To sum up, load and performance testing are essential to delivering reliable and scalable applications. By simulating real-world conditions, you can identify weaknesses and ensure that your system meets user expectations under both normal and high traffic.